Now here's how we can call through a specific eSIM line on the iPhone. So let me show you exactly how it would work. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. So obviously you might have multiple SIM cards in your phone, and yeah, you get to decide which one you use. So for example, if you go to the keypad there in the top left corner, you have like a switcher between the primary line and the secondary line. In my case, obviously it depends on the names of the eSIM, but you will have the ability to select it before you dial in the number, and that is going to be the eSIM line that we're going to use for it, right? So that would be obviously the first thing. Then we also have some like settings for it, like every single contact which you can get inside, you select the default, right? So you can go there, and at the top above the name we have the selection if I want to use the default line or the other line, and we also have the ability to choose the last used one. So if I always make calls with one of the eSIMs, then all of the other contacts will make phone calls with that one. So yeah, that is how we can select it for specific contacts even. Right, and of course we have even more settings if you go to the settings app and check out the phone app, right? We have so many options regarding that, but yeah, these were the things which I wanted to show you at the beginning. So I really hope that I could help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.